And then after that, we just paint it. I have to put the steering wheel in, but I'm not putting the steering wheel and the steering shaft in until it's all painted because it'll just get in the way. So I think the hood will be next, and it'll sit nicely on top of a sawhorse, so it'll be easy to work on. The biggest thing will be getting these decals off. Okay, I've started taking the grill off. You see this piece is broken down here. It's cracked right here. This is okay, and it was cracked here. So I have to figure out the best way to repair this. Sprayed some acid on it. Okay, this is what I've found seems to be working the best, and I'm actually taking it all the way down to metal, and it's not easy, but it's not super hard. I've done the other side pretty much. So okay. I'm just going to keep doing it, but you can see how long that took. 5 minutes, 6 minutes. You can make a lot of time on flat space. You get into here, I'm having to use the air tool, but it leaves it's just smooth, and it doesn't really put a lot of heat in the metal. As long as you keep moving, it's like it barely gets warm. So it's obviously not that abrasive. Every once in a while I see a spark, and I'm not sure what that's about, but it's not taking off metal. I mean, you run your fingernail across it, and it's just super smooth. You can see it leaves these little scrape marks in it, but like right there, I can cut. No, that was just dirt or loose material. It's a freaking garden tractor, man. Come on, so. Okay, this is where I've gotten at the end of the day. You can see there's on the camera, it shows a lot of swirl marks, but you just can't feel them. So I'm going to spray this all down with WD-40, and I'll come back tomorrow. See that poor little thing over there in the corner? I'm doing what I can to try to keep it alive. I don't think y'all can hear me, but I went around and just been doing some light body work on this thing. I came out here and sprayed this with acid again. So we'll see. Hopefully I've brushed all this with a metal brush. It's starting to convert that stuff already. Hopefully I can get it all converted and not have to. Okay, hopefully you can hear me. I've got the air conditioners on, trying to pull the humidity out of this room before I start painting. But if you can see right here and right here, you'll see that blue. These are two little tiny holes after I finished sanding. I don't know if it rust through or it was filled with paint or what, but there's two little holes here. So I've got blue painter's tape on the other side of these fins, and I'm going to put some JB Weld on this side, try to fill in the hole. Okay, so I've got both sides and the interior wiped down with alcohol, and I didn't film it, but I also went outside and scrubbed this thing with Dawn. Yeah, the blue stuff, the grease cutter, whatever. The inside and out with a brush, scrubbed it with Dawn, hosed it off a couple times, so it was already clean, but I wanted to make one more pass with alcohol. So my plan is to first come in here. There's a couple of places like here where the rust converter worked, but it still looks kind of rusty. So I'm going to hit the rusty spots, or the places that look kind of rusty. So I'm going to tap these areas with the rust, or where it looks like there might still be rust, with that rust converter primer. And then I'll switch over to regular primer and redo the whole interior and exterior. None of the exterior has any rust. It's just on the inside. Some of these seams I'm worried about. And then you can see right there. And oh yeah, like these little, where these braces where they meet right there, like right there. I've scrubbed that, converted it. I think I got it, but I just want to be sure. So all this, where it's any kind of rusty stuff, hit with the rust converter primer, and then I'll go over everything with regular primer. Okay, here's the stuff I'm talking about. I don't have much left, but I've got enough to do what I need, I think. This thing's freaking awesome, man. A tool? I thought it was old, but it actually looks brand new. Or newer. And it's still got plastic on the seats. Looks like there's an owner's manual. It's hard to get it in the shot.